Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. I don't know if you noticed my little friend in the background. I bought this cute little ketchup wiener dog at Target and he's gonna be in the background of videos for Halloween. He's so cute. He's just so cute. I have an emotional attachment to this fake dog. I don't know. So anywho, today I'm going to be doing the first fall makeup tutorial of the season. I want it to be like super like classic vampy fall, and I have like all these new products to use, so it should be like a little bit different. We're gonna try out some products. I just want to feel fall on my face. Okay, I bought this trick-or-treat headband at Party City. So we are just catching the vibe. Ooh, can't even really see it unless I like have my hair behind it. But you know what, it's there in spirit. Okay, I'm working on getting a new chair because I hate this. Let's do this. You can see my dog in the background. Okay, so I already have all of my skincare on, so let's go ahead and just start out with primer. So I am gonna be going like in with a lot of dewy products. So whenever I do that, just to get a little hold, I like to use like a matte primer. Like I kind of like to mix the two together, some matte, some luminous, just to make sure it's gonna stay on pretty well. So I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Prep and Matte Primer. I haven't tried this before. We're just winging it today, guys. I hope everyone is having a great October so far. You guys will have to let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween this year. I do have a Halloween makeup tutorial coming up soon, so stick around. So I am gonna go in with a little bit of this Urban Decay Rebound Prepping Spray. So this is the collagen infused complexion prep priming spray, firming, smoothing, and radiance boosting. I'll be honest, I feel like these prepping sprays don't do much. For me personally, I just don't feel like it ever really makes like a difference for my skin. Do you feel like it makes a difference? I think it's like the step. I'm just like, yay, more steps. It's just like a fun time. But realistically, I'm like, is this making a difference? For foundation, I'm gonna go back to one of my favorites. I just repurchased the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk, and I used the shade 4.5. This is my second bottle of this stuff, and I just love it so much. It's just such a good foundation. I just take a little bit of concealer over my acne scars, which I don't have too many of anymore, thankfully. We're getting there, because the foundation is definitely more of like a medium coverage. So, you know, rather than doing like full coverage over my whole face all the time, I'm trying to just like adjust to my new skin because I don't have as much acne as I used to. So I'm like kind of learning that I don't have to, you know, always wear super full coverage. And this stuff, it just looks like skin. Like, it's so pretty. I know that sounds weird. Stuff is so wonderful. Doesn't it just look natural? Like, it's not too dewy where I feel like it's just like overwhelming. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. So I'm gonna do today's makeup in a little bit of a weird order. As I was processing my face, putting on my foundation, I realized since we're going a little bit heavier with like eyeshadow today and we might have a few little fallout moments, I should probably wait and do my concealer afterwards. So I'm gonna do my eyes and then finish my face, which I like never really do, but it seems like the right decision. So I'm super stoked. I got sent the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, and oh my gosh, oh, someone wanted me to smell it. It does not smell like cherry. Someone asked me if it smelled like cherry on an Instagram live. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I've been doing lives like crazy. So this palette is gorgeous. I feel like we can do a lot of fun like vampy moments with these like darker shades here. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of the Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. Want to make sure all these colors are popping and they don't crease. So I'm gonna start off and take this light shade here called Hotspot. It's just like kind of a pinky vanilla tone, and I'm just gonna like set my my paint pot as kind of like a base moment. So Feels and Juicy are like these really great two shades that would look perfect in the crease. They're matte, they're like kind of neutral. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of both and I'm just going to sweep that in my crease as a transition shade. I'm using, this is one of my favorite blending brushes. It's the Blending Shadow Brush from Lancome, and I love this brush. It's probably like my favorite blending brush I've ever used, and I bought it so randomly, like just so randomly from Sephora on a whim, and I love it. I will say these are a little powdery. Like the second I touch it, like it just, there's like a lot of powder going on. I can already tell that it's good that we waited to do the concealer because definitely want to clean this up afterwards. Like imagine if we were just done here. Makeup is so funny. Like it'll always be funny to me how it takes time and like the middle stages of makeup are not cute. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this shade here called Devilish. It's like this really pretty matte kind of cranberry shade, and I'm just going to work that in my outer corner. And I'm using the Sigma E35 tapered blending brush. I really like this brush for packing on color. I really like how these shadows, they do blend really well together though. I love like a cranberry moment, like this kind of vampy purple vibe. I like it a lot. So on the end here, it's called Privacy. It looks like almost like a deep cherry color. Like it's almost brown, but it has that little bit of color to it. And I am just deepening up my outer V with that color. Ooh, these colors are gorgeous. I don't even feel like it's translating on camera. Don't worry, we're gonna clean up the bottom because right now it looks a little nuts. And that way with the concealer, we can kind of cut it as well. Get a nice sharp line. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm at like a point here where I can either add shimmer to my lid here, or I can take a little bit of these matte shades and just make it pop a little bit more, which I'm like doing now. I really like the full matte look, especially for like a vampy moment, you know? So I'm just like applying that to like the inner, like maybe 2/3 of my eye, just to like brighten up the center. And I'm just gonna give it all kind of a good blend. Can't wait to have my eyebrows on. Nothing ever looks right without brows, in my opinion. Okay, I'm really liking how the blending is looking on my lid. So I think I'm gonna leave it there for now. And if we feel more later, we can do more. But I think like for now, I'm pretty satisfied. So I'm gonna grab the Hello Fab Bendy Avocado Concealer from First Aid Beauty. And I'm gonna just kind of cut it right up where I want it to be cut. I always try to look and make sure they're cut like at the same spot, because one time I've had like one like this and one like this. It just didn't work. I really like this concealer. I've been using it quite a bit lately, and it's good. So I'm just gonna do like a tiny bit of highlighting. You don't need much of this concealer. I'm just kind of bringing forward the center of my face. Since we're going all out here. Oh, I just love these eyeshadows. Guys, they're so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I am just gonna knock everything over today. Cute. So now I'm just going to grab the infamous Airspun powder, which is almost gone. Gotta really shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Ooh, whoa. Cracks herself up, always. Does anyone else just like crack themselves up? Like you're just alone Like you might like talk to yourself a little and you're just like, I'm really funny. I hope other people think I'm funny. All right, I'm gonna go in and bake those under eyes, honey. Bake those under eyes, honey. Set your oven to 325 and let those bake. Whilst I am baking, I'm gonna quickly throw on my eyebrows off camera with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown. Okay, brows are on. They're a little aggressive today, but like since we're going full throttle glam, I think it's okay. So I'm just going to remove my baking. So I have been really enjoying the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm in the shade 130. I already set my forehead because I always need to set my forehead before I do my brows. And I am just setting it with the Sonia Kashuk face brush. Patting it into the skin so we maintain coverage. So now we're gonna bronze up with one of my favorite kind of softer bronzers. So this is the Hourglass Nude Bronze Light. It's a very like natural bronzer. It looks really pretty on the skin. You can't really even use like too much. So if you have a heavy hand with your bronzer, this one is great and it just looks really natural. It has a very radiant, natural finish to it. And I'm just applying it to the outer parts of my face and on my cheekbones. So rather than contouring, I'm just going to grab my beauty blender and I'm going to cut right under where my cheekbones are, and that will, you know, create a nice chiseled look without having to actually contour. It's like a little less intense, but it still looks really pretty. So another thing from Urban Decay that they sent is the Naked Cherry highlight and blush palette. So I really want to play with it. I think it'll like tie into the colors really nicely. So this is what it looks like. We have the blush and then we have two highlight shades. So I'm gonna dip into that blush in the center. It's a nice matte blush. Oh, it's really pretty. It's not like overwhelming because it's kind of, it looks like it would be kind of a lot, but it's really just like a natural kind of mauve-y tone. And that way, you know, it'll match like the tone of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna do just a tad of the leftover on my nose because I like that look. I've been doing that a lot lately. Makes you look kind of just like cute and flirty. So now let's try the highlights of here. So we have like a white shade and then more of like a champagne-y tone. I'm gonna try the champagne one. Whoa, gorge. That is so pigmented, wow. I'm just kind of blending it out. I'm using the Jumbo Kabuki fan brush. I think it's from Sigma, I think. Ooh, guys, stunning. A little on the temple, a little on the tip of the nose because, you know, we can kind of sweep away. So it kind of gives like a faux contour look, sharpens the cheekbones. So now that the skin is done, I'm gonna go in with the good old NYX matte liquid liner and pray that we can get a beautiful winged moment here. Pray for me. Okay guys, so it's not our worst, it's not our best. I'm not complaining because you know what, they're pretty even. Oh no, I gotta sneeze. If you, oh, I'm pretty sure I heard that if you apply pressure above your lip, that stops a sneeze. No, like just not happening. So I'm gonna just throw on some mascara and lashes off camera. I wanna try these today. I haven't tried these yet. They were in a haul. I got them at the Christmas tree shop. They're the Ardell 251's Mega Volume. They look crazy gorgeous. So I'm gonna throw these on and I'll be right back. Guys, I am thrilled to say the lashes went on. And the liner is okay. And I think we're good. I think we made it through. These lashes are like super curly, like crazy, like super curly, super voluminous, but like we really need to put on the lip to pull it together. So we have Love Drug from Urban Decay. For the lip color, I'm gonna mix these two Kevin Aquan colors. I haven't tried the formula yet. These are the Molten Lip in Kate and Demi. So I don't know, this one might be what I want, but this one has like a little purple vibe we might be able to like mix. Ooh. Oh my God, so pretty. I actually don't think I want to add the purple. I think I'm really happy with this lip color. It's gonna give a little spritz. And I did take a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes because like, I don't know why I didn't remember. I also didn't even highlight my brow bone. Oh, I'm forgetting all sorts of things today. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I also feel like this is not blended enough. Okay, Alex. I don't want that line to be too harsh. So my #1 priority is, what should we name our little hot dog wiener ketchup costume dog buddy? He's so cute. I just love him. The only thing about these lashes is because they're so like volume dense, you can't really see the eyeshadow when like I'm just looking straight ahead, because like it kind of blocks everything. That's the only thing about like really big pretty lashes, like then all your hard work just doesn't get shown. But overall I really do like this look. I think it's like a wearable fall look. I didn't smoke out the bottom. Like I think for nighttime, I think this is kind of more day, and you could transition this look to nighttime by like smoking out the bottom. So that's the vibe, I think. I hope you guys liked this. I'll link all the makeup down below. And yeah, let me know what other videos you want to see coming up. And I'm gonna have a Halloween makeup tutorial coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Ooh, it's like a good lipstick for like making your teeth look whiter. It has like that nice blue undertone. Anyway, I'm rambling. I love you guys very, very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.